Our technology is very needy. Our devices are always asking us to download and install updates. And always just when you don't want to stop what you're doing. They really, really get on our nerves. I mean, can't these software people just build something right the first time and leave us alone? But those updates are really important. They're not only improvements to the operating systems and software you rely on. They're also like a new set of locks on your house. You see, hackers are always looking for ways round the popular programs that most of us use. They find cracks in the code. They exploit flaws in the system to break in and, well, steal your money and your pictures and maybe your important work files with lots of valuable commercial secrets. In other words, your entire identity and life. But those updates are important. They mend the cracks, fix the faults, and add new layers of security to your devices and your software, protecting you, your family, and where you work. So, it's important to see that request to install an update as a reassuring message, a chance to sit back, switch off for a while, and let the experts patch up your devices and make them safer. And because the hackers are always looking for ways in, those updates need to keep coming so you can stay ahead of them. You can always set the updates to install automatically in your settings. And of course, you can schedule them for when you're not usually using your device, like at night or early in the morning. Take a break, install an update, and live digitally with confidence.